Hello, I am Fanacrow and welcome to my Kazakh commentary. This is my first video, so I hope you enjoy it. Well, I picked Kazakhs for a random normal game here with some friends, and I go top. Start out with boots and 3 health pots, and I go stand in the brush, waiting for the wolf to spawn, so I can help Cho'Gath with that awesome skin. So basically, I just will spam and look like a damn retard. But, well, it's fun. So I help Cho'Gath and I go top lane. I'm laning against two, Darius and a Shaco, and a fun thing was that the Shaco was going AP. So I didn't really bother him. Oh, enemy team got a first blood, so that sucks. Here I get my first gank, and you see, Cho'Gath, silence. I got feared. I jump in, smack that Shaco, and they get away. Unfortunately, but well, shit happens. I go back to farming, and there goes Darius. He's gonna chase that Cho'Gath, and he meets Shaco as well. So I go down, trying to help, but well, maybe camping a little here, hoping Darius would come this way, but he don't. So I go, oh, there he is, and I smack him. I use it, jump, and he's dead. So well, that was the and Cho'Gath is now almost getting caught by that Swain in his stun, and well, Shaco isn't much of a bother. So just some fun here, standing, hoping to catch Shaco out, but well, ends up Cho'Gath is leaving. And amazingly enough, my farm is going pretty well, though I'm against two win. So I'm actually pretty proud. But well, the Shaco is start roaming about now. He's top lane a lot, anyways, but he will go. He's top and middle sometimes, but so I get Darius all by myself sometimes. And well, that I like as a Kha'Zix. So rather fun game. Just well, farming, waiting by the minions to, waiting for a gank, I would say. Waiting for minions to push well, holding my tower. So rather boring game actually in top. Not much happens because I'm against two. But when the gank comes, I'm ready. Yep. Oh, the Cho'Gath misses stun, and we decide not to go. So that was pretty fail. But well, shit happens. So I just run around here trying to kill these minions, and I kill it. Oh, there comes Darius. Let's see what I can do with him. So, well, he's standing like he's AFK, but I jump and I smack him in his face. Well, I'm not quite sure if I could take him there, so I just decided not to. Farm these minions up, and I go back. So get my brutalizer and some health potions, mana potions, and a ward. Then I just go to my top lane again, watching the other lanes. Our mid is pretty good actually. She's well farming quite nice and destroying that Swain pretty much. And well, our jungler is just getting fed extremely. As I remember it, he doesn't even die in this game. So pretty OP Cho'Gath there. So not much to do. You can they try to focus him sometimes, but well, nothing happens really. And here I go into brush, and there is, I smack him, and he flashes, so I don't chase him. So now he's out of flash, and well, I just decide to go again, kill him pretty fast. I use my ult just to get my passive on, so I can slow him in that extra time. But well, maybe a little waste. So, but there comes Shaco, and he thinks he's awesome, so I just burst him down like he's a little bitch. But well, as stupid I am, I actually attacked the right one from the start, but well, why not just use Q on the other one as well, so I die. Stupid. Well, I go Sheen, I get some wards, and well, I go top lane again. See what happens. There's Shaco, and well, we try to gank pretty early on. He flashes, of course. Wait, no, he's just deceive, and then he flashes. Here, that's right. Silence goes off. He stuns, but well, we decide to tower dive a little, but don't go. A little afraid of what Darius actually could do, but well. So we just stand here. Cho'Gath is farming those minions, and there comes the Swain. Stupid as he is, I just go out and poke him, I nuke, and then I jump away to get out of his slow. Little Shaco comes in again, uses his ult. His clone is chasing, and it disappears right before the last tower hit. So that's very lucky, I would say. So well, I'm greedy, of course. I know I can kill him, but it just doesn't go as I have hoped for. So he gets away, but I see him go right there and there. So I just go and I get a free kill. So that's nice. And we are just here again, waiting for a chance to even get that Darius or well, go somewhere else and get a kill. But nothing really happens. That Darius is just playing too safe right now. So yeah, let's go place a ward, do something farming. I don't really know what's mid's going on, but going on the other lanes. But our bot is doing okay. Well, our support is unfortunately getting some kills, so that's kind of bad, of course. But if always better to get the carry farmed, fed. So well, Cho'Gath was just here to try gank, but nothing really happens. I go B, I get my shoes, I try building up towards my Black Cleaver, so I just can be ultimate nuke style. That's fine, I would say. Rather, well, just farming for the best, and you see there that Teemo gets killed. Teemo is a pretty exciting factor in this game. He's getting a lot of kills and starting to deal some real damage. And here I just go in on this Darius and I kill him. Unfortunately I'm forced to burn flash on this, so a bit unlucky, but well, I get the kill, so that's fine. Just burn this turret, tuck 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 tuck. Didn't really need made. I see it as a little bit more gold before I can get my Black Cleaver, so I farm a little more. Just this mini wave, and I decide to go B. I'll go back. But well, Shaco doesn't mean that. So he jumps on me. I hope he's gonna be in front of me, but nope. He just is back, and I just nuke him instantly. There I go, and unfortunately he jukes. That last Q would have been a kill. Just a stun from wait, and there came on mid, grabbing the kill on that Shaco. So well, started, hey, Cho'Gath catches Swain. I didn't really have any mana, so I decided to go back. But well, after I see Darius, I go in to help. So before I get to Swain, he's eaten up by that Cho'Gath. Nom 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 nom. Pretty well, I would say. And here I fail my epic jump, but well, unfortunately I end up stealing the kill just to get an assist. So kind of bad, of course, but well, I get fed, so that's fine in my eyes, of course. So I get Black Cleaver and I build up to the gauntlet thing. Don't remember what its name, but well, builds up on Sheen instead of taking Trinity Force. Or so I built this to just be a bit tanky, but still have that great burst. And here I go down, I find a Kayle and I start bitch slapping her. Oh, but I made a mistake and Q on her ultimate. pretty fail if you would ask me, but well, shit happens. Try to withdraw because there's MIA from mid and bot lane, so we draw back, me and Cho'Gath, and we find them here already. Going to brush, Cho'Gath hits a stun, I just wait here. Wait for some time to kill people. And I tried to burst the Swain down, but I realized how much damage that Teemo got. So I back off. And well, there's Shaco just overextend, don't realizing that we have way more damage than him, and you can't really kill that Cho'Gath, he's just a beast. So I get a double kill. That's nice. So even more kills for me, and well, I'm happy, as always. Oh well, unfortunately our mid gets killed, but well, we go up picking that kill on that Darius. The Darius turned out to be rather bad. He didn't really use his well, the fact he is a OP champion Darius, I would say, but he really didn't. I don't know if he just shut him down completely in early game and didn't get any farm, but well, he turned out to be quite useless in end game. So I just recall, get my gauntlet thing, and I go up top again. Farming. I love farming. Just farming all day long. Farm, 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 farm. Just like farming simulator or something like that. I just farm. Lot of farming. Oh, and there's the first team fight in this match. Oh no, I wouldn't call it team fight because it's kind of fail. So, well, I jump in trying to burst something. The Darius is well, I try to focus Teemo. I don't hit him at all, and well, I just got totally destroyed without doing shit. So well, kind of bad fight for me there. Misplacement and everything. Bad focus. But well, I will respawn and it's time to get some more kills. So I get a longsword and a ward, building up towards Frozen Mallet, I think it was. So well, I just level up. In case I level up my Q, W, and R abilities. So well, I don't really think it's necessary to get the upgrade on the jump, but well, you may have other opinions. Here I walk into a mushroom and will start taking those wolves. Then they jump on me. Very bad mistake. I just jump away, deal some damage first, and jump away, and well, I ult in after taking some more kills, do some more damage. All about being in the right position. So I have to jump after that Kayle, and I boom, boom, and I got her on ignite just before that LeBlanc Q could hit anything. So I check for that Teemo that got away before, but he isn't nowhere around. So well, I'm so stupid to leave the others and just there was a mushroom and Teemo, of course, camping. I don't really think I should have tried to even get away there because well, that's slow of the mushroom. So I probably just should have jumped right in his face and tried to kill him. But well, that blind and exhaust did some pretty nasty things against me. So again, die. I go up top. No, I go middle first. But then I see the Kayle going up to farm my top, so I go protect my turret. I jump in, hoping she's alone. Well, she boosts the speed, and I can't really catch her. So, well, I decide not to. And there again, Teemo comes, trying to destroy me, and well, he got a frozen melee, so that slow is just amazing. I have to waste my flash and my ultimate, but there comes Cho'Gath. Time for some payback. Silence, stun, he hits everything. I'm being quite passive this fight, so I don't really want to get caught by that Teemo and his poisons and blinds, so I just be passive, and well, we end up taking one kill on Teemo and killing Kayle afterwards after a great stun from Cho'Gath. Again, very nice. I jump in and smack his face, get the kill. And well, meanwhile, LeBlanc is just fighting two in the middle. So Cho'Gath and me is friends, so we know each other from real life. But we have a thing that we like to fight over farm in our games. But unfortunately, I lost this game. I failed. I lost in farm to a jungle. So sad. There, I go get my frozen melon and a ward. I don't know why I even bought wards in this game. Of course, it should be the support's job, but well, there. This is the next team fight. It turns out very good. They all just focus on Cho'Gath, and well, he is a beast. Nothing you can do to will kill him or anything. So I'm just trying to focus that Teemo got blind, exhaust, everything wasted on me. So I just trying to kite, keep myself alive, and doing as much damage as possible. So when I get in again, I burn that Shaco totally down, and Blitzcrank steals my kill. That was just sad, how the support just dragged away a free kill for us. So, but well, yeah, that's fine. We win anyways. We push the inhibitor and we go back. Don't really want to get there. No, I try to get Dragon. Yes, I try to get Dragon. Teemo comes and I just decide not to do anything because I'm scared of Teemo. That's sad, but well, I was half HP and didn't really think I could do anything. So here we go, hoping we could catch Kayle, but well, a Teemo shows up. A wild Teemo shows up. And we kill him. I burn flash and everything just to kill the Teemo. Revenge time! Finally. So that's pretty much the game. We get the opponent the Nexus turrets, and well, the Swain there is quite annoying, so why not just jump on him? Raps. Blitzcrank grab, and we dominate him. So we go destroy the turrets and the Nexus, and that's GG. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe if you want more. See ya.